So building on what we would have just covered in the last video, I have a new question where we're going to try to find the value of elements that are in a particular location inside of a matrix. The matrix we have here is a 4x4 matrix, and we are given several positions of which we are going to try to find their correct corresponding values. The first one is position A23. We're looking for the element that it lies in the second row, third column. Therefore, that element is the number 8. Now, at this point in time, since I've helped you with the first one, you can feel free to pause the video and answer the others on your own. Otherwise, I will just continue with the solutions. The second position that we have is A43. We're looking for the fourth row, third column. Therefore, the element in that position is the number 2. A21, the second row, first column. The second row, first column, that would be the number 7. A14 should be the number 4. A44 should be the number 21. A33 should be the number 0. A32 should be the number in the third row, second column. Therefore, it will be the number -3.5. A11 will be 2 again, and A31, third row, first column, will be the number 4.7.